Welcome to my channel. In this video I will be breaking down the pros and the cons of Bitcoin cryptocurrency. First I will start with the pros. Number 1. High potential returns. Bitcoin has experienced significant price appreciation over the years, which has led to substantial profits for early investors. Number 2. Decentralization. Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network, which means it's not controlled by any single entity or government. This can provide a sense of financial autonomy. Number 3. Global accessibility. Bitcoin transactions can be conducted across borders without the need for intermediaries or traditional financial institutions, making it accessible to anyone with an internet connection. Number 4. Portfolio diversification. Adding Bitcoin to your investment portfolio can provide diversification, potentially reducing overall risk by including an asset class that's not closely tied to traditional markets. Number 5. Limited supply. Bitcoin has a fixed supply of 21 million coins, which can contribute to its scarcity and potentially drive demand over time. Number 6. Innovation and technological advancements. Bitcoin's underlying technology, blockchain, has numerous potential applications beyond cryptocurrency, such as supply chain management and digital identity verification. Number 7. Hedge against inflation. Some investors see Bitcoin as a hedge against traditional currencies' inflation, as its supply is predetermined and not subject to central bank manipulation. Now I'll go over all the cons of Bitcoin. Number 1. Volatility. Bitcoin's price can be highly volatile, with significant price swings over short periods. This volatility can lead to substantial gains but also substantial losses. Number 2. Regulatory uncertainty. The regulatory environment for cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, is still evolving in many countries. Changes in regulations can impact the legality and use of Bitcoin, which can create uncertainty for investors and users. Number 3. Lack of regulation and consumer protections. The decentralized nature of Bitcoin means that it's not backed by any government or central authority. While this is one of its defining features, it also means that there's limited recourse for consumers in case of fraud, theft, or disputes. Number 4. Security concerns. While Bitcoin transactions are considered secure due to the blockchain technology, the platforms and exchanges used to buy, sell, and store Bitcoin can be vulnerable to hacking and cyber attacks. Several high-profile exchange hacks have resulted in significant losses for users. Number 5. Irreversible transactions. Bitcoin transactions are irreversible once confirmed. This means that if you make a mistake in sending funds, there's no way to retrieve them. It's essential to be cautious and double-check before sending Bitcoin. Number 6. Environmental impact. Bitcoin mining, the process of validating transactions and adding them to the blockchain, requires a substantial amount of energy. The energy consumption associated with Bitcoin mining has raised concerns about its environmental impact, particularly if the energy comes from non-renewable sources. Number 7. Limited adoption. Despite its popularity, Bitcoin's adoption as a mainstream currency or payment method is still limited. Many merchants and businesses do not accept Bitcoin as a form of payment, which can hinder its practical use for everyday transactions. Number 8. Scalability issues. The original Bitcoin network has faced scalability challenges, leading to slow transaction processing times and higher fees during periods of high demand. While there have been efforts to address these issues, they remain a concern for the network's usability. Number 9. Loss of private keys. Bitcoin ownership is tied to private keys, which are required to access and transfer your holdings. If you lose your private keys or they are stolen, you could lose access to your Bitcoin forever. Number 10. Lack of intrinsic value. Critics argue that Bitcoin lacks intrinsic value, unlike physical assets like gold or commodities that have practical uses beyond being a store of value. In summary, while Bitcoin offers exciting potential, it also comes with risks and challenges that should be carefully considered before investing or using it. As with any investment, thorough research and understanding are crucial. And there you have it, all pros and cons with Bitcoin. Remember, always do your own research and consider your risk tolerance before diving in. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more crypto insights. Thanks for watching, and happy Bitcoin profiting.